From this example, we'll understand what problems arise when we recover proper tones from overexposed areas and how PixMaster solves them. Here, you can see the original image has been duplicated and renamed. Let's first apply shadow highlight to this image. We'll set shadows to 0 and slightly increase highlights. Now, see how the highlights have recovered. The problem is there's a grayish tone added here. The highlight amount around 59 looks good. Let's click OK. Now we'll try to fix this by unhiding it and moving to the camera raw filter. Here, you can also recover details from highlights. When you reduce it, you'll notice the entire image darkens slightly and a grayish tone appears in the lighter areas. Now, let's open the same image in PixMaster. This is your shortcut panel, so we don't have to go through options repeatedly. We'll use shortcuts. Now, let's bring it back to Photoshop. You can see the proper tone recovery here. This is the original image. This is PixMaster's result. Shadow highlight result. You can see grayish tone in the lighter areas. And this is the result of camera raw filter. Let's look at another example. The original image is duplicated and renamed. In studio shoots, softboxes are often placed close to achieve even lighting, which makes skin tones appear slightly whitish. Let's try fixing this with shadow highlight first. We'll set shadows to 0 and slightly increase highlights. You'll see a better result here. Let's select Camera Raw Filter layer. Now, let's move to the Camera Raw Filter and reduce highlights. The entire image darkens slightly. Now, we'll send this to PixMaster. Let's bring it back to Photoshop. Let's zoom in a bit. Here's the original image with shadow areas, midtones, and highlights. Notice PixMaster's result here. The gradation is maintained very well, and the tones are preserved. You can see the ear and neck area as well. Result of the shadow highlight. We still notice a grayish tone in the shadow highlight result, and the gradation isn't maintained well in the ear area. Shadow highlight result, PixMaster result, and here is the camera raw filter result, which darkens the image and adds a grayish tone to the skin. Let's compare the results on the hands. Original, PixMaster, shadow highlight result. Let's quickly look at a few more examples. Here, leaves that are in shadow retain their natural green tone, but when direct light falls on them, they appear washed out. To fix this, color light recovery is applied in PixMaster. The result restores the lost tones while keeping the unaffected areas intact. Let's save this and move to the next image. In this image, light has reflected off the shell, causing the tones to appear very faint. We'll apply light recovery here. You can see the before and after. Here, PixMaster successfully recovers the lost tone without altering the rest of the image, preserving a natural look. You can see the before and after. We will apply light recovery to restore the tone in the lighter areas. You can see the before and after. Let's save this. Here, the skin tone appears whitish. We'll recover the tone. Before, after. Let's zoom in a bit. You can see the before and after. Now, let's finish this. We'll go to the Filter menu, select Effects, Apply Effects, and add a bit of color contrast. You can see the new look here. Let's crop it. Apply a bit of vignette. You can see the before and after.